We are going camping this weekend and I need to pack, so I thought that is something we could do together. In case you are not familiar with the concept of camping, I'm talking about camping in Britain. To sum it up, you basically pack up half your house, put it into your car, offload it into a field, set up a tent, put half your possessions into the tent, spend as many days or nights there as you wish, pack it all back up into your car, bring it all back to your house and put it all away until next time. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. However, it's also a lot of fun, particularly for the kids. And now that our kids are teens, they are at the life stage where they are bringing some friends along. It's going to be a weekend for them to unplug, be off their phones, be out in nature, be out in the wild, and just have some fun. The weather's going to be quite hot, so I need to factor that into account. Plus, putting up tents and taking down tents in the heat is some pretty frustrating, sweat-inducing work. So anyway, let us pack a little capsule wardrobe for camping. That will mean we can stay cool, we can take advantage of the warm weather, and we can also be nice and cozy in the evening when the temperature drops a little bit. So let us start off with the essentials. Let us pack our knickers and a bra. I am just going to start with that because it's no fun going away and forgetting to pack knickers, which we've all done, I'm sure. I'm just going to take a sports bra. It's just easy peasy, fail-safe option. We do also need to pack some swimwear. I've got my bikinis and a few little swimsuits over here because we might go to the beach tomorrow when it's nice and hot. So, which swimsuit are we taking? I think it might be nice to have one where the bikini top goes with some bottoms that aren't the bikini, like a pair of shorts or something. I've got this one which I inherited from my sister, a little hand-me-down. She couldn't find the matching bottoms to it. It was in a clearance rack, no doubt. But she did get these ones, which she thought might be a good enough compliment. And to be honest, yeah, I think actually it might be nice to bring this one because I have a pair of shorts, which I got in a clothes swap that I did with my friend Lou. Got these little cute Hawaiian shorts, which goes so cute with this bikini top. So actually, I think I might take this one so I can wear the bikini top and the shorts, even on the campsite, just, you know, when it's hot. So we've got a pair of shorts. We need a top. I'm probably going to just stay in these shorts for today as well. These little cotton yellow and white striped shorts. And I probably will change the top. I might change because this one feels a little bit close fitting. It's sleeveless, it's a vest, but it's quite close fitting, and so I don't think it's particularly cooling. But anyway, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. So we've got knickers, swimwear, one pair of shorts, two pairs of shorts. So we do need some tops. I have got this t-shirt. I rescued this from a charity rag bag when I was doing a collaboration with Barnado's last year. This would be a cute little combo, right? Striped t-shirt with, bless you, the Hawaiian shorts. So let's maybe bring this t-shirt and then whatever I'm wearing today when I change this top, I think that'll be two outfits. I can always just cycle one on the last day, so I won't really need two outfits for daytime, but I will need something for evening. I'll need some, bless you, I'll need some sleeves or something for evening because it can get quite cool on the campsite. So I'm going to take a pair of some sort of long bottoms. That's my son, who's back from China. Right, long bottoms. Maybe these knitted blue ones, which I got from a clothes swap last year. They're knitted, so they're a tiny bit warmer than your standard jogger, I suppose. They're nice and slouchy for just mooching around at night on the campsite. So we can bring this and longer sleeves, like a jumper, some sort of sweatshirt or jumper. Where's my green sweatshirt? Left the light on, babes. Oh, is it in the wash? Yes, it's at the bottom of the laundry pile. No. Oh, no, we can't do this one. She's got not just what's it called? Toothpaste. Toothpaste stains. But she's also got a few curry stains from when I was cooking a curry, which, oh my God, I have to cook a curry. What about the pink one? She's not as exciting, but we don't need excitement, do we, on the campsite? We just need functionality, although she's not that warm either. She's a bit thin, but I guess we could layer something under this. Socks. I'm just going to bring a pair of woolly socks because if my feet are really cold in the tent, then I really struggle to sleep. I feel like maybe my extra layer for evening in case it gets cold might be this little mini coat. She would look cute on the campsite and she'll go with the light blue knitted trousers. I'm thinking I might make myself a matching pair of shorts to that toweling jacket this summer, actually. That'd be so cute. So we're sorted for evening. I'm not sure about the pink sweatshirt. It's really underwhelming me at the moment, I must be honest. I think we leave the pink sweatshirt and I think we bring our grey and neon pink social club sweatshirt. Yeah, I think that's what we do. And I just need to decide what I'm going to wear today. So let's do that now, actually. Final selection. I'm going with this black and white striped vest, which I rescued from our laundry bin. It's worth having a vest because it's good for layering and it's good for the heat as well. So this is what we're taking. I am going to swap this t-shirt for this one because I just want something a bit more loose fitting, which I can also wear to sleep. This t-shirt, I do like the green and white stripe, but it's a little bit more of a close fitting women's style t-shirt, and I'm not as much a fan of those, actually, I have to say, as the more relaxed fitting style of t-shirt. And actually, I'll just bring a little loose fitting dress to just have around the tent when I wake up in the morning, having my morning cup of tea. I'll probably bring this one. This was one that my friend Audra had given me. It was one of the house dresses that her mum had from Nigeria. It's just nice for just throwing on and just mooching around the tents in the morning and stuff. So yeah, let's bring this one. Okay, well, one thing I forgot about was eyewear. She's looking in a state of disarray at the moment, but I think I'm only going to bring 2 pairs. Let's bring these ones. These are my current faves, and they go with my toweling jacket and my knitted trousers. And then for the beach, I think I might bring my little daisy ones. They're so fun. I need to give her a bit of a clean. Look how dusty she is. So yeah, I'm going to bring these 2 sunnies. And finally, footwear. I think I'm just going to take these 2 pairs of fit flops. That'll do, I think, for all occasions. That's it. I think we're good. We're done. Thank you for packing with me, getting my capsule camping wardrobe ready, and I will see you in the next video.